Hey vegan food explorers, I've got another video for you today on the Veg 1 vegan supplement which is made by the Vegan Society. I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's get into the video. If you enjoy this sort of content, then please drop us a like, as it really helps get the channel out there and spread that vegan word. Okay, so this is a review of the Veg? I guess it's called Veg 1 by the Vegan Society. Mickey is here. He supports all orange things, and these are orange flavour, so he is very happy about that. So, vitamins and minerals, really important obviously, but you should be trying to get it as much as you can from your food. Why? Loads of different reasons, but the bottom line is because it's the most natural way to get it, and that's what your body's made to do. However, sometimes there can be times when you do need a vitamin, and on a non-vegan diet there can be times when you're not getting enough vitamins. So for example, if you eat a lot of meat and not enough fruit and vegetable, then you're not going to get the vitamins. Then on a vegan diet you have different challenges, because there are just a handful of vitamins which are a bit more tricky to get. You can still smash them through whole food easy enough, but if you just want to cover your bases, getting a multivitamin, super cheap, super easy. So these I think are about £6, and why I love these is because they don't just chuck all of the vitamins in there that you don't need, and you could have some potential weird health effects from overeating some vitamins. They just have a handful of vitamins which are specifically chosen for having trouble and challenges getting on a vegan diet. So we're going to go through the vitamins in a minute, but let's just cover up. We've got this lovely picture of these happy people in the sunflower, so hopefully we're going to be like that. If we eat them, one world, many lives, our choice. Yeah, so that's the Vegan Society. They're based in UK. I think they're like one of the oldest vegan groups in the world, maybe. Did I read that? That might be true, might not be. So these are orange flavour and they're chewable. We'll open up in a second to have a look at them. And they're gluten-free, yeast-free, lactose-free, wheat-free, and no colouring. No colouring, I didn't know that. That's cool. They're manufactured in the UK. Okay, right, and then just before we see it, let's have a look. So you have 1 tablet a day for adults, and always chew or crush. Yeah, so we'll get into that when I open it up. So it's chewable. It's not like a gummy though, because that's what I thought they'd be. It's more just like a crumble. So you crumble it, basically. You eat it and it crumbles in your mouth. Tastes quite nice. There's a blueberry or something flavour which I've had. Avoid it. Get the orange flavour if you're getting it. So here we go. Loads of people will say, you're going to be so deficient as a vegan. Not true, but if you're doing a lot of exercise, or you're out and about a lot, or you just want to make sure your bases are covered, pop in one of these, super easy. So it just has a handful of these key vitamins. So number 1, vitamin D3. So actually a lot of health bodies say if you live in the northern hemisphere you should get D3, because you should get it from sunlight, but unfortunately if you live in the northern hemisphere in the winter, even in the summer, it's not happening. So really good to just supplement that 400%. If you're vegan or non-vegan, pick these up, it will help you. B2, yeah, so your B vitamin, so you've got your B2, your B6 and B12. They can sometimes be a little bit tricky. The infamous vitamin B12, which actually is normally chemically added to meat. It's fed to animals because they no longer get the B12 from the ground, because if they're industrially raised, that is why. Then you got your folic acid, then you got your selenium and your iodine. And these things are a little bit more tricky to get on a vegan diet. Iodine is the most interesting one. Actually, you don't need it as a human to live, but it does help your thyroid function, which is very key for hormones. And iodine is really interesting because I'm pretty sure this is true, but iodine is you get it from drinking milk, but not because it's in the milk, but you get it from the iodine is used to clean the equipment for dairy, so that's how it gets into your milk. That's weird. Milk is just weird. It's just one non-stop story of weirdness. That doesn't surprise me at all. You can get it from seaweed and things like that, but ain't nobody eating seaweed every day. Put one of these. Right, let's open it. So these have actually been reformulated recently, and they got this new packaging, and I've got to say the taste is much better. Yeah, so I think I said, so £6. You can get it from the Vegan Society. You can also get them on Amazon. They have eBay sellers as well. It's brand new on eBay though, but yeah, a bit dodgy. Better to get it on Amazon or the Vegan Society. And then look, it's just one tiny tablet. Like I said, it's not a gummy. You just literally chuck it in your mouth and you bite into it and it crumbles. You can see the dust there. Orange flavour. It's really nice. Yeah, I actually really like it. I have it every morning. I brush my teeth and then pop it. How many do you get in a pack? I think it's a month. Not sure. Hang on. Oh no, 90 tablets. So you get 90. So that's 3 months. £6 for 3 months. Easy. So what's that for a year? You would be paying £24 for a whole year. That's amazing. Easy. So hopefully this helps. If you're a bit concerned, especially if you're a new vegan and you're just worried about covering all your multivits, then pick these up, get it delivered to you, next day delivery, and you don't have to worry. Hope this helps. Let me know if you've tried it or you've tried any other vitamins to help your lifestyle in the comments below. See you in the next video.